Hey, I'm on a creative art journey and you're invited. I started Serene in the Making. It's a calm corner of the internet where you can relax, watch art come to life, and maybe even pick up a pencil yourself. I like to use all kind of mediums, watercolor, colored pencil, markers, and every piece is part of the process. Sometimes that means trying new things, sketching, or picking up a fresh coloring book. Other times, it's about stepping out of the box creatively, grabbing new art supplies, recreating little things I see in nature, or just doodling for fun. And when I finish, I throw my supplies. It's weirdly satisfying, you'll see. So if you love relaxing art, step by step creativity, and a little bit of fun, hit subscribe and come hang out. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop your comments or suggestions for what you'd like to see me create next. All right, I'm going to go and get back to the drawing board. Hope to see you around.